Okay, I call this the swing tap false cut. So how it works is you hold the cards in this position here with your index free to swing cut some portion of the deck. You drop that half down and the remaining half on top. That's all you do. It's just a couple of actions, really. Now, you might think that this is like too simple to fool anybody, but I haven't found anyone who wasn't fooled by it, especially if you do it at speed and practice. Okay, now we'll slow down in just a second so that you can kind of see what's going on. But certainly if within some kind of routine where you're needing to kind of mix the cards and perhaps you do some other false mixing routine, and then to finish it off you just do this swing tap false cut, it just kind of seals the deal that the cards are just scrambled. Certainly here it looks like the halves have been switched. Okay, so why are people fooled by this? Well, here's my theory, okay? So as you swing this over, this action right here, I think, causes a time delay. Time delay just means a little bit of time has passed and people are already beginning to lose track of, okay, now let's see, what did he just do there? What happened? Where did these cards come from? Where are those from? That kind of thing. And you do this tapping, which also kind of gets their attention. It's always fun to have some, little sounds in the routines that you perform. And then when you set this one down and then turn your hand up, this, for most people, looks like the deck started in this position with that on top. This looks like the bottom half of the original deck just because of how it's sitting in your hand, right? And so now you set it on top. But of course you know that that supposed bottom is actually the original top. That's the top, this is the bottom. Just do this little flick with a couple of taps, 3 if you like, and then just stack them. If it's helpful, we can use my numbered packets. I don't know if any of you will need this, but so you swing cut and then rotate here, tap a couple times, and then just stack them as so. And you've just rebuilt the deck. That's all you've done. Okay? So it's a simple looking move, but boy, it convinces most people that at the very least, the cards have been genuinely cut so that you could not, as the performer, possibly know what card's on top. Okay? So this could be part of a larger mixing routine in which the cards are not actually being mixed, and then you can finish with this swing tap false cut to just kind of seal the deal. So that is the swing tap false cut. I think that one is worth adding to your repertoire of card handling skills.